But first, let's make an introduction. Meet Pindaloo, a new kind of skill toy. Pindaloo is not rechargeable, not a wearable, and does not connect to the internet in any way. It is just about pure, old-fashioned fun suitable for all ages. Its mechanism is pretty simple, yet opens up endless possibilities. Basically, you can just loop the ball by throwing it from side to side, but master it and it will do some pretty crazy tricks for you. You can practice literally anywhere, indoor or outdoor, at the beach or in the office. Fortunately, it fits easily into any bag, so you can carry it with you wherever you go. In a Pindaloo set, you get one Pindaloo tube and two Pindaloo balls. It also comes with two lids in order to help you keep the balls inside the tube. The tube and balls are highly durable and are designed to last for many years of play. However, even if you do manage to crash them somehow, they're all made out of 100% recyclable material and therefore can be thrown to any plastic recycle bin. Want to help bring Pindaloo to the world? Just join our community and get in the loop.